Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about provision of Part 3 of the Constitution of India, that is fundamental rights. As you all must be aware of this fact that fundamental right is available in Part 3 of the Constitution, and Part 3 of the Constitution and article included in this portion are 12, 13, 14 to 35. Article 12 basically defines a state, and a state means law-making agency. Law-making agency. And Article 13 basically defines valid law in India. Always remember that Article 13 of Indian Constitution is the only place where you will find the definition of valid law. If we talk about different fundamental rights, Article 14 to 18 basically talks about right to equality. 19 to 22 basically talks about various freedom. 23 and 24 allow citizens of India to spend their life in exploitation-free society, and 25 to 28 is basically freedom of religion. 29 and 30 are available for minorities, and 32 is a special fundamental right which allow an individual to directly move to Supreme Court in case his fundamental right is infringed. Under that situation, there is a great value of Article 32, which basically empowers the citizen to go for the authority to safeguard their fundamental rights. That is why Article 32 is considered as heart and soul of Indian Constitution. So there is a requirement to study different fundamental rights scope under different headings, and it can be possible only when you have a basic understanding that what is the meaning of fundamental right. Well, to define fundamental right is a very complex issue because understanding of fundamental right in current society differs according to majority opinion and minority opinion. But fundamental rights are a cluster of ideas which helps an individual to develop his life in overall sphere. So, Constitution maker give a detailed study as to what issues should be included under the topic fundamental rights. So, if Article 14 to 18, that is right to equality, is provided to Indian citizen, it has a number of issues like equality before law, equal protection of the law, equal representation in government affairs, equal representation in public places, abolition of untouchability, and abolition of title. You all must be aware of this fact that Article 21, that is right to life, is the broadest interpreted article of Constitution, and there are plethora of issues included under right to life. Like today, we have the right to have pure water, access to pure air, pollution-free society, right to sleep properly, right to work, even under 86th Amendment of the Constitution, right to education was included as fundamental right under Article 21A. So, right to life is a broadest interpreted article of the Constitution. There are some few basic terms which an individual is supposed to understand before developing his or her opinion regarding fundamental right, and those topics are like due process of law and procedure established before law. Article 13 of the Constitution basically empowers Supreme Court of India or judiciary to assess the power of judicial review, in which they basically examine the law made by the legislature, in this sense that whether this law is according to the constitutional norms or not. If it is found that particular issue is not according to the law, judiciary is all free to declare that law unconstitutional. Hence, nature of fundamental right over legislature is negative implication, means it defines a line over legislature and within what prospect they are supposed to make law. Legislature has the power to make law, but that does not mean that they can snatch fundamental right of individual or group of individual by making those laws. So there is a curtain over the power of law making, power of the legislature. Fundamental right is the most important issue of the society, and in current scenario you must be aware about the issue relating to right to privacy. Right to privacy. It is a burning issue, and in coming days you will find many laws and regulations regarding the scope of right to privacy. So, a healthy discussion of the topic not only allow you to understand what is the meaning of fundamental right, but at the same time you became a very aware citizen.